Do you love backyard grilling with family and friends, but hate transporting your propane tank for exchanges or refills? Carrying a propane tank can be painful. Dirty tanks can stain your vehicle's interior. Driving can cause tanks to tip over and roll around, jeopardizing safety. Other methods do not effectively secure the tank. But there's a better way to transport your propane tank: the propane bag. The propane bag is the easiest and safest way to transport your propane tank. Using the propane bag is easy. First, open the bag, exposing its padded base. Then, place the tank on top of the base. Finally, pull the sides of the bag up around the tank and secure the top flap. The propane bag's patented design allows using the seat belts already in your vehicle to secure the tank safely in place. Simply thread the seat belt through the propane bag loops and lock. The bag secures in seconds. The propane bag is made of rugged, durable fabric resistant to tears, scuffs, and other abrasions. 3 layers of padding on the bag's base provide additional protection. It's also stain resistant and easy to clean. Padded handles allow comfortable carrying. And just fold it up when you're done for easy storage. The propane bag works with any 20-pound propane tank. It's the most durable and effective solution for propane tank transportation. End the hassle of transporting your tank and order your propane bag today.